Welcome to our channel. We are going to see one of the very important topic today about LangGraph. We know that we know that LangGraph is very important framework to develop the agentic AI applications. So, as we are going to discuss now, we will see today what is the land graph, how we are framing the system, how the applications we are developing based on the state graph. Okay, so we will see everything in the by the code wise in this video. So we know that LangGraph is an open source framework for building and orchestrating complex multi-step AI application as a director graph. So LangGraph is like a see. We can see the image here. LangChain is like we are just send the input, it will chain, then it will give the output. Here in the LangGraph, it will execute the flow with complex workflow and complex structure. Okay. So in the, as a input, when you're giving the input, it will go to the first node. For example, it will go as a input data, it will go first to the LLM. After the LLM, it will take this decision. Based on the decision, it will go to the node 1. When the node 1 have finished the work, if it needed for any other task to complete, it will go to the related nodes. And after finish the work, it will go back to the LLM. If based on the structure, if it will go back to the LLM and verifying the result and send the output. In between, so each node there will be the edge. This will call the edge. It will make the workflow and the information as a stateful structure. Okay, fine, right? So this is the simple way how LangGraph is working. So we can see in this video, in this image, so as a user, send some input. His supervisor is like a LLM. And the LLM is connected with multiple agent, agent 1, agent 2, agent 3. So based on the work, it will assign call specific agent. So within the each agent, we will connect multiple tool. So each tool is like a function. It can be the search, it can be the API, it can be the normal mathematical function. So each tool is connected with the specific agent based on what requires actions needed. It will go to the related agent and related functions and send back to the informations. As same like that, here in this concept, there's a MCP will come. We will see this detail about the MCP in future videos. So here, for as a short form, with the agent, multiple tools will connect it. So when we go in the future enhancement of our system, we will add multiple tools. So it will not make the system clean and right. So to avoid that, we are using the MCP. MCP is a it's like client and server architecture. So the client will be in the with the agent with the LLM. Okay, then it will connect with the server. In the server, all the tools are available. So as a client available in the LLM agentic part, so it will call the related tools available in the server, then it will give the result. So this is the latest advanced architect using in the industries. Okay, I hope you understand the flow, how we are using the LangGraph, how you are connecting the nodes and edges with using edges, how the agent is connected, how the tools are connected, how the tools can be connected using the MCP. So this is the basic understanding about the LangGraph. Okay, got see as I discussed this, see node, everything information, see edges. This connects nodes and determine transition. State is like the memory, application memory. So you can see all the informations about LangGraph in the document. So we will see the short demo or code using LangGraph in the Visual Studio. So I will add this code in the link, GitHub and share the link in the description, so you can verify from there. Okay. So I am using the some test API keys from the Euron. So is the API key can get from the OpenAI to use the OpenAI model. So initially what I am going to do here, I have the list of invoice. Okay, list of invoice. I am going to process this invoice and keep in the structure format in SQ in the DB MySQL like that. Okay, for that we need to install all the required dependency. This AC, OCR, pillow, everything. What are dependency with including Langraph, everything we need to install. After install, we will we will add the sample invoices here. So what this tool will do, what the LangGraph will do, it will take all the invoices, extract the information from this invoice and push into the DB here. Okay. So we will see now. Initially, we will install all the dependency what is needed and what are the model. Now we are going to use GPT 4.1 and the related API, and we are going to define the DB details. Then we are going to create the input directory if not available. Then this is the dependency functions. So when you load since, so it will load the logs all the informations. So here we are going to use the dependency. These are the dependency functions we are going to use in these applications. So you can see here. So here we are going to create the SQLite DB. So as a for two at the table, I created this informations: name, vendor, name, date, the total, currency. This information I will get from the here using the LangGraph prompt. The prompt is a very important part here. Using prompt, I will bring the information and keep in the database. Okay. Okay, fine. Now I will set the OCR. Here I am creating the different for each action. Each no, we are using the model. What I defined there, GPT 4.01, right? So that model we are going to use in this land graph. So this is the graph we created. In this clean graph, we are going to add the node as clean. This is the node name and what the related prompt. You clean noisy OCR to explain text. So keep facts, no guessing. Keep tables row readable. And we make the set entry and set finish point. So we created this one. After that, we create another node is the same or GPT model. We are going to create the extract node. In this node, from the clean text. So this one, from this clean text, return the stack JSON with key exactly with the number, vendor, number, date, total, and currency. It will bring the related information, this information in the list format. Okay. So unknown will be null and numbers will be numeric. Date will be in this format. Okay. So we are passing the clean text. This text will be passed here, and we are set entry point at extract, finish point at extract. So we will run this one. After this, we will pick the text. These are the dependency functions. We will return the plain string from the various possible structure. If X is the dictionary, please prefer key or common key, else stringify. So these are the dependency functions we are using in this extraction. Okay. So this also the instance everything as a dependency functions here. We run these functions. So after that, this will get the related informations using this simple reg format. So it will take the vendor, take the invoice number, date, total, everything. Okay. So it will return as JSON format. All the related information it will return. So the green text we will pass here. You take the information like this and send here. Okay. Then node OCR. These are the dependency file to make as OCR form. So node clean. We need to clean the node, everything. This one is like a extract the JSON structure JSON using the extract AI node. Fall back to the if any error fall back to the error. So to extract the data here extract graph in this extract graph. So we will run the clean text. Okay, it will pass the clean text. It will extract using the extract graph. Then it will get the extract output from this node. So we will then after that it will validate the result. Okay, after validate it will pass the information. When in node persistence, it will pass the information to the table. Okay, after that, so now here we will see how the Langraph is structured. So we are going to use all this node. So whenever I push the I push the invoice in this folder. I will process and push into this table. Okay. So for example, I will delete this one now. I will delete this. No. Anyway, I will keep outside now. Okay. It's already keep outside. Okay. I will show the example. When I push this new file here, it will process here. So first it will watch if any files is pushed inside this folder. Then it makes its OCR. It will clean and bring the specific format, JSON format. Then extract, validate, process, and notify. Okay. It will bring these informations, and we will set the pipeline here. So run pipeline for file. Here path as file path, then OCR as a file path, OCR text, then clean text, all the informations here JSON. It will validate the data. Okay, after that it will watching here. What will happen? It will watch everything. When I run this one, it will I will push something here. When it's pushed the new file, So it will watch every 5 seconds. Okay, so I will open in the download. For download I will check if anything available files. So I will take this. I think we need to pause, install here. So I pause the PDF. Okay, basically I pause the PDF. See, when I run this one, it's running. Check, every seconds it's running. So what I will do, I will take this as screenshot. I will pause this. So I will pause this. So I pause this one. When I pause this one, it is checking. It will, yes, when I send PDF, it will not work. So when I add PNG file format, you take the file. See, it takes the file and take the OCR data and clean the data and take the data in JSON format and push into the DB, right? So this is the PDF is not accepted because we, as of now, we set the PNG format and JPG format. Now we successfully added. When I go and see here, what the data available here. See, now the data is available in this database, right? Yeah, I hope now we are see the full demo. We can use this code in the real-time application. We deploy in the cloud. We can use as a in the production used in our required places. So basically, in this folder, when I push any files, it will check. It will for every 5 seconds the tool will check. In the agent we have multiple tools, like what I said here, multiple tools: watching, OCR, clean, extras, validate, persist, notify. Okay, so this will watch for every 5 minutes if any files is available here. If any files will available, to go to the OCR. See, watch. When you watch, after go to the OCR, OCR tool, after get the data, it will clean. After clean, it will extract. After extract, it will validate. After validate, it will persist. Then after persist, it will notify. Okay. So I hope you all understand. See, please see this video and try with yourself. I will keep this code in the description. Let's be see in another video. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.